trying to help these guys out. This one's stuck in this little area. I don't know how she got in there, but her baby's right here and she's hungry. But these guys all came back because she was mooing. She's alone and it's getting dark. So they're gonna hang out with her for tonight. I don't know. I want to clip the wires so that she can get back to her baby. But all I got are these, and this barbed wire is pretty thick. She's been crying all day, trying to get back to her little calf over there. But they're all hanging out with her, so I don't know. I'm gonna see where she might have got into this little area. I think she might have got in through here. It's pretty big. So if she came back through this way, she can come back up in here, and that has a little gate you can open and close right there. Don't want to get too close because she's pretty big there. But yeah, where those little ribbons are is, yeah, right there. Where that bent rusty post is, you can swing open the gate and these guys can either come in or out, but she'd need to come through here, come through this hole, and then go through there. I don't know. I don't see any way in right now. I'm gonna leave them alone for a little bit to figure it out. But if they're still here in the morning, I may knock a fence down.
Pretty.
So do we even need to buy land, or do we just drive around and live in the areas that we like the most, like this? Because spending money on a piece of land that we don't like is not a good investment.
Oh,
I think she's up higher.
it's not that high.
So I guess it's going to take a little bit more time.
Well, at least we figured out now the area that we like here.
Yeah, but we're also not
Oh, there you go.
we're also not locked to this state. We can go
Yeah.
to any other state. This is what I want.
Oh, it's expensive.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll take this. There she goes
Yeah,
again.
this is nice. This is nice.
If I can find something like this, I'm good.
Look at that. Can you imagine? And Danny's parked right in there.
You can park the van, you can have a cargo container, you can have a shed, build
This
some
would be nice.
little geodesic domes for some gardening.
This would be very nice.
I'll take it. Yeah, so I guess do a few more of these 14-day stays and start making some more money so we can afford something more like this. We're on wheels.
I'm not like in love with this place.
No. I like it.
It's not bad.
Better than California.
Oh, yeah. I mean, this is nice. I like how they kind of just don't fuck with you here, like, authority-wise, it seems like.
Well, in the months that we did van lifing in California, we saw more cops than we have in the 5 months we've been out here.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I think out here they just leave you alone.
Yeah.
Like that sign says, if you go up that hill, it's on you.
Yeah.
We're not gonna save you. Don't be stupid. Somebody just got murdered on the trail today, so.
Well,
In the neighborhood, not out in the forest.
I think we'd have better chances of getting eaten by a bear out here than what happened to that lady.
Did you look on that site?
That is gonna fuck somebody's tire up.
That site that he told you about, did you see my spots around
Around
here?
here,
Yeah.
this is what we already know.
That's what you already found?
What we already found, yeah. It's a good site, I guess.
Do you have more than the other ones that you looked at?
I don't know if there's more. Like I said, each one has their own. There could be more on this one or more on that one.
Well, it's just another site to look at.
Yep. It's pretty easy to navigate.